Hello everyone. How about some pizza? How do you eat a pizza? We normally eat pizza in slices. We can take a regular pizza in 4 slices, a medium pizza in 6 slices, or a large pizza in 8 slices. Now, how many slices can you eat? 1 out of 4, 2 out of 4, 3 out of 4, or 4 out of 4? Or 1 out of 6, 2 out of 6, 3 out of 6, or all the 6 out of 6? Or is it 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8, or 8 by 8? I can probably eat 2 out of 6 pizzas. If you have eaten 4 out of 4, or 6 out of 6, or 8 out of 8 slices of pizza, how much pizza have you eaten? Can you think? Yes, you have eaten the whole pizza. Now, if you have eaten 2 by 4, or 3 by 6, or 4 by 8 slices of pizza, how many pizza have you eaten? You have eaten half of the pizza, isn't it? Now, if your friend and you have eaten 9 out of 6 pizza slices together, how much pizza have you eaten? Can you find? You have eaten 1.5 pizza. One pizza will mean 6 by 6 slices, and then you are eating another 3 slices out of 6, so which makes it 1.5 pizza. So, all the pizza slices that we are talking about, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, what are these numbers called? These numbers are called fractions. When we divide 1 into many small parts, these small parts are called fractions. If we look at this pizza and we divide it into 4 equal parts, we get 4 equal fractions. And these fractions are 1 by 4 each. In these pictures, 1 has been divided into 6, 8, and 12 equal numbers. So what are the fractions? 1 by 6, or 1 by 8, or 1 by 12. Now the question is, in how many equal parts can you divide 1? We have already divided 1 into 4, 6, 8, or 12 when we were dividing the whole pizza. So what is the maximum number of equal parts you can divide 1 into? Can you think? Yes, you can divide 1 into any number of equal parts. There are infinite number of smaller parts you can divide 1 into. Now where are fractions on the number line? When you see this number line, the difference between 1 and 0 is 1, 2 and 1 is 1, 3 and 2 is 1. Again, the difference between 0 and minus 1 is 1, minus 1 and minus 2 is 1. How can we divide this 1 into smaller number of equal parts? So where are fractions on the number line? That is where the fractions are on the number line. I have divided 1 into 6 equal parts. So the fractions are 1 by 6, which we can see between the 0 and the 1 in the number line. Let us look into a little bit more detail into fractions. You are very hungry and you want to eat the biggest slice of pizza. Which pizza slice will you eat? 1 by 4 or 1 by 12? Can you think? Let's look at this picture. Which slice is bigger? Is 1 by 4 bigger or 1 by 12? Which one is bigger? Yes, 1 by 4 is bigger than 1 by 12. So in fractions, the number in the bottom is the number of parts we are equally dividing 1. The more parts we divide 1 into, the smaller will be the fraction. So, when we can see 1 on the top, like 1 by 4 or 1 by 12, the bigger number in the bottom means a smaller fraction. So, 1 by 4 is bigger than 1 by 12, or 1 by 12 is smaller than 1 by 4. Let us look at the next fraction. 2 by 4 or 6 by 12. Which fraction is bigger? Can you think? You have got a pizza cut into 4 slices and you eat 2 slices of it. You have cut a pizza into 12 equal sizes and you eat 6 of it. Which number is bigger? Actually, both of them mean half slice of pizza. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. 6 by 12 means 1 by 2. Can you find how? Next, let us look at the third type of fraction. Can you tell which fraction is bigger? 3 by 4 or 7 by 12? You have cut a pizza into 4 equal parts and you are now going to eat 3 out of 4. Or you have cut the same pizza into 12 equal parts and you are going to eat 7 of those pieces. Now which one is bigger? It is very difficult to find out numbers like this, which one is bigger. We will learn how to find this in our next lesson. So what have we learned today? We have learned about fractions. We get fractions when we divide 1 into equal parts. Proper fractions are less than 1. We also learned that 1 by 4 is greater than 1 by 6 and 1 by 6 is greater than 1 by 8 and 1 by 8 is greater than 1 by 12. Why is this happening? When we have 1 on the top, then a bigger number in the bottom means that the fraction is smaller. We also learned that 2 by 4 is the same as 3 by 6, 3 by 6 is the same as 4 by 8, and 4 by 8 is the same as 6 by 12. All of them means 1 by 2 or half. How did we find it? We can divide both the top and the bottom by 2. Then the top becomes 1. After this, we can find out whether the bottom is bigger or lesser. We cannot tell 3 by 4 is greater than or less than 7 by 12 just by looking, as we do not have 1 on the top. For tomorrow's lesson, please read the divisibility rules and revise them. We will use it in our class tomorrow.